Larake ke Republik D ke banyo popra jengkeri India hanong stony da ke jingshit hem bat ke jingkemen ke bakrau Hamadan Saint Peter's High Secondary School nong stony u sembut menteri rangba ke jela ubak preston tensong ulayo ban penhere ke lama lairong jengkeri India bat ula shimru ika salute yagi khatsau tli ki kenhon paret ba kentob ki pulit bat ki kena school ki ladon hado kumbas phau tli ki tablu ki ba itanat bala peni da ki tanat sarkar ba per ki ba pen i ki jing thmu bat ki jing la jong ki kane ki jing lek man ka bokong san kal ailat ki paj ba jong nong stony bat ki jaka ba marjan ban yawan lang bat ban rakhe ka pateng ka baris pa bat ka kolshor ba per jong kari ha kane ki jing lang lai shim banta di ki riu pokmat ki he sarkar ki samla puli bat ki paj ba nong shong shnong ki wei pat ki jing lek man ha kane ki sngi ki kentob ki jing sam ki khusnam da u kong san shaki nong job ki ba per nang ta kala don ru ka program culture bala pen i ki jing ruai bat ki jing shan ha kani ki jing ya kob ruai ka nong stony public school kala ra ka nam job kat ba ka moyong lum sintiu secondary school kala job ka jing shan ka jawahar novodia vidyalaya kala job ka march pass na preng ki ken hun school ki blawan ban shimta ha kani ka sngi lapan kot i kani ka program na ka jing ruai ka state anthem ha ka ba baro ki badon ha ka te ka jaka ki la shimta lang ha motion road civil subdivision ba Gabriel Walang MLA ka nong stony bat shimru ya ka salute nakabenta ki artli ki kenhon paret ki bakan tobe ka police bat ka school Christ King High Secondary School katanat fire emergency service kalayo ban pin inam ka W jongki hakani ka sngi
for the inspection of the vehicle engines. Salute now is the Brigade Contingent number 1 West Cassius District Executive Force led by
the next parade contingent taking the salute is JFB Nomston School Boys led by Mr. Dawan Roy.
in Summit Lingo with total strength of 30 students. With an unwavering vision, which has accounted for his long list of accomplishments. Ba Preston Pinsong was elected as the member of the Legislative Assembly for the first time in 2003 from Lankerdem constituency. In 2004, he was elected as the member of the District Council, KHADC, and was the chief executive.
Kabu ban penpau ke jesngu ke bakrau ya ke jing IT bat jing Tracy Tom jo ki sipai ki paramilitary force bat ke Megala police ke jing IT jom ki kala pentingna ya ke jing sengan bat jing ada yang ni akas nem belala kalong kaman hak jela kalau ke basuk basingan akas nem arajar arkulai arkusau la pentrekam nadu kasitrik jeliu arajar arkusau ya ki likely ki criminal laws bat kita kilong ka BNSS ka Baar ka BNS, bat ka balay ka BSA. Nolor kini ki an ka ying syari jong ka autonomous council ki yai peteng batray kam hapo ki kendon jong ka 6 sidel. Kini ki an ki batmai ki saki ya ki jing thaudur tmai. Ya karukom bishar ka bahok da ka bapai kmat sa ka jing pendon kam ya ki kor ki bor bat ki forensik. Bun ban bud ya kini ki an ka skor jela kala kentiu kerdan ru ya ka forensic science lab Hasilong sa Directorate of Forensic Sciences bala menjuru banbu ia ki Mobile Forensic Science Unit aman ki district Shushu ka Directorate of Prosecution telah rekam da ka jingtung yau Director bat Astan Public Prosecutors kathom jo ka sarkar jungi kolong banra ya ka megala sa kayo ka kot ka basipo billion US dollar hapo kasnem arhajar arupra da ka bekentiu arsya ya ka GDP jo ka jela ni matatin bangin kot sa kanika thom bat nila thau ya ki plan penroi haborok kitna trekam bat ha ju kapor nila peniai kam ya ka jingbei tengka ka GDP jong ka jela klakiu na ka arpulai hajar aspa lifesan klur ka financial year snem arjar khatsan ja ka sanpulai hajar sis san punyo kulur ka financial year hajar arpusau Ikanat kum ka PUD roads, housing, water supply, power, tourism and IT. Long kisaletem jaga jiki usaprang. Akini kisan senem meledep, akalenti ban penyan ya kakat ling swing shilong. Nak minta kiling swing ki bakam he, ban pan kamsuk ya kalek kawan. Kasorkar megala kapai kemat ban penbiang ya kisurok akajela ban pensuk ya kalek kawan. Ban kentiu ya kayo kab yo jam. Akini ke asnem kasorkar kelemam ya kicing tresuk kebasan spa lupo prakliwita ban penyesok ya kisnong kitau. Kajing tray ya kasurok ba Shillong Dauki Highway Batura dulu kelaya Syakmat baladep menjuru pansna ya ka penusla bypass. Lamba ki project baitingka na bar lasdang bachna ban marmot kumbasan spa kilometer kisurok pentop ya kasurok garobada dalu pasi karampani umling patarkma bat kasurok umsning jakirut da kajing temu ban penyesno surok hakeleng kajela namar kijingle bah jo kasorkar akaliang ke jependiang surok kasorkar India dangsien kala menjur ya ka project ka baratba ban penyesno surok da kajing bei tingka ka ba hajar sanspa klur apo kani ka project bala laispa kilometer jong ki surok tulin ibala bansna habarok ki bansan habarok ki ayom ansas dang bansna hakeleng ke jela kaban penulong ya commission ka basipo kabalong kathong jongi kasorkar katrang ban penkeladur ya ki jakasor jongi sya kisor ke ba internet ba ki ba kluj balam nanti da ka New Shillong Township labu ya maunong rim ya ka secretariat batmai hamau diang ha kasngira ki ya ka megaladi menta kasnem ila sedang ya ki project pedroi kum ki skill hub ka Unity Mall ka New Shillong Water Supply Scheme bat kijing penbiang ya ki jakai la kai sports ka sarkar kelasna ya ka strok ka bapeniasno hapneng ka city mau diang bat ka knowledge city hamau kanu kaman yai lingba ka sinong umir lasnaru lightly ki strok ki batmai ban penbiang ya ka lek kawan hapneng ka Shillong bat ka New Shillong ka plan mansna ya ka mau kanu college and knowledge city Raya Syakmat bat ya lakmilinti bakasor kanlong ka papaunam hakaliam ka kamjungongai ka jingkentiu sap trekam bat ka puli puti niladepan pliru ya ka Shillong Integrated Command and Control Center kabanirap bat penstet ya kilat jing sakri ka sorkar bat ban peniat ya kikali ka center ka dei ka jingtei ka balabiang ya ki jingdon kam da ka babu laispa arpo prateli ki kamera bat kan peniat renti ya ka jing trekam hasor ban pelai na ki jing ki babon bat habadon ki jing jia bakarki.
Was a unique blend of ecological awareness and technological advancement. A homestay installing wind turbine harnessing the power of solar and wind are iconic symbols of renewable energy. In today's world, the impact of plastic pollution on our environment is undeniable. From marine life district for setting up MSME enterprises with a focus on families. Handicrafts utilize natural and locally sourced materials, often renewable, promoting energy efficiency and prioritizing sustainable practices across all sectors. We can create a healthier planet for generations to come.
The next tableau belongs to Don Bosco Secondary School, Maucla.
We dispose of old products are limited. Our society uses these resources to improve the living if the current situation prevails. In this condition, it is important to introduce harmless production technology for
Ông chưa đặt sân ngạc, bút đặt sân với ngạc.
Schools of Peace, alright, Namado, Right, Dominic Festival Program. Congratulations, Ipi, congratulations, Inokikai. Girls. Saya simbang sebanyak jing parti macam mana kebetulan ke school JNV non-stop. Kita lagi hati kena berjalong kiladu hati ka. Much pass. Berlaki yang dari